How to insert a YouTube video in PowerPoint on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to embed a YouTube video directly into your PowerPoint presentation. First, open PowerPoint on your Windows 11 PC and open the presentation you want to add the video to. From there, click on the slide where you want the video to appear. At this point, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, click on Video. After that, select Online Video from the drop-down options. In the next step, open your browser and go to YouTube. From there, find the video you want to insert and copy the URL from the address bar at the top. Go back to PowerPoint and paste the YouTube URL into the Online Video search field. Once done, click on Insert to embed the video into your slide. Following this, the video will appear on your slide as a thumbnail. Click and drag it to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize it. From here, click on the play button on the video thumbnail to preview it directly within PowerPoint. At this stage, if you want the video to play automatically when the slide appears, click on the video and go to the Playback tab at the top. From there, click on the Start dropdown and select Automatically. Keep in mind, an active internet connection is required for the YouTube video to play during your presentation since it streams directly from YouTube and is not downloaded into the file. Finally, run your slideshow by pressing F5 and navigate to the slide with the video to confirm it is loading and playing correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you insert a YouTube video in PowerPoint, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.